of Meets Lifestyle, and as you know, this is Kshitij Bhatnagar, and I hope you are watching this video with the widest of your smiles because I really like that. Also, I hope you watched my last video because it was kind of very special, and that was straight first-hand experience that I talked about in the last video. Also, I'd really like to inform you that I won't be able to make the video I was talking about of my gift presents. Why? Because that won't be fair to the people who actually wanted to wish me, who actually wished me birthday with a text message and actually meant it, but was not able to give me a present. So I kind of thought that won't be fair to those people. So with that said, let's get today's video started, which is all about the second thought of the day, and let's roll the intro. Hi. So where were we? So we were discussing about today's thought of the day. So for today's thought of the day would be that you need to learn that you're kind of always alone. That's a pretty depressing thought if you think about it. But on the other hand, it's actually practical and it's actually something we should learn, something we should realize as soon as possible, something we should be very careful about, because at the end of the day, no matter what happens, you'll always be alone. Why am I saying like this? And because people, 90% of them are really temporary. They will change over a period of time. They will go, people come and go, but what you need to learn is that you can't be dependent emotionally, financially, or in any other way possible on any one single person, because it's better to be able to depend on yourself whenever possible, whenever needed. You are your biggest support, and it would be really good if you learn it as soon as possible. If you learn this shit, I know I'm addressing this as shit, but it is actually true. Though it shouldn't be. There should have been people, there should have been that sense of connectivity with someone. But if you have it, you're very lucky. Trust me, you're very, very lucky. And if you don't, you need to do it all on your own. And at the end of the day, you'll be very happy if you achieve things. If you okay, I'm not saying that if you work in an office, if you work in a corporate world, you shouldn't be ready to do a little bit of teamwork, because that's very important in a personality, as we talked about it in a Selfie Monday segment. So it's actually important. But as a whole, if we consider it, at the end of the day, when you sit at your bed, read a book, probably write something in a diary, and if you recall your day, you actually really spent it alone. You were never really yourself with anyone or anybody. And that point, that period of time before you sleep, that is the actual you, which you were not probably because I am you were probably very shy in showing to the world the actual you, because it's very rare that people accept the actual person. If you're not really like them, no one will really accept you. And you should really learn that fact as soon as possible, and you should really be able to accept yourself at least, and and you should be confident about yourself, and you should realize that even if no one likes you, even if you have to walk this road all alone, you are ready for it. Because there will come a time when you'll feel all alone. There won't be anyone to pick you up if you fall, and you should be really prepared for that time too. So learn to manage yourself emotionally, learn to manage yourself financially. You should never run out of safe funds. You should save as much as you can for yourself, for your future self, because your future self will actually really thank your present self if you start doing it regularly. Also, I'm not saying that if you're alone you don't have a family, or you should never really depend on the family, but if given the type of crap our generation goes through, there are plenty of things that you are not really ready or to share with your parents. It's not everything about your crappy life that you can share with them. So at the end of the day, again, you're totally alone, sitting at your bed before you go to sleep, before you fight your demons again. And trust me, you're very powerful if you wake up the next day with an equal amount of hope and equal amount of positivity in yourself. So in the last video, in my videos, I've really talked about how you should spread positivity, how you should spread love, but that all starts with your own self. So never really be scared about being alone. You should be your best company, and trust me, if you realize that you'll be forever happy, you'll never there's this phrase that I'd really like to mention it here, that if you're really finding for your half, you should really realize that you're not a half, you're totally complete. You're a totally complete part of you, and you don't really need another half to complete yourself. So you're powerful in your own self. You should really realize that you never really need anyone to be happy, to travel, to do whatever the beep you want to do. So just know that you'll always be alone, and you have to find power in that. You have to find positivity in that. You have to find confidence in that. So that's it for today. Learning that loneliness is some kind of power if you look at it that way. So with that thought, I'll leave you with that thought here, and I'll see you in the next video, because I'm really in a mood of giving out more videos than I've ever. So yeah, I'll be seeing you more frequently. Till then, also, I thought I forgot to remind you again, subscribe to my channel, and if you really want me to make a video on some topic that you like, please contact me on my Insta page, Insta DM, or you can also comment down here. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, ta-da.